Welcome to our tutorial on how to type in another language on Gmail using your PC. Follow these step-by-step instructions to customize your Gmail settings and start composing emails in different languages effortlessly. Step 1. Begin by opening Gmail on your web browser. Please note that input tools can only be accessed through a browser and not the Gmail app. Step 2. Locate and click on the settings icon in the top right corner of your Gmail dashboard. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your Gmail settings. Step 4. Within the Language section, click on Show All Language Options to reveal additional settings. Step 5. Check the box next to Enable Input Tools to activate the Language Input Tools feature. Step 6. Choose the specific languages you wish to use with the input tools and select the type of keyboard layout that suits your preferences. Step 7. Once you have made your selections, click on OK to save your changes. Step 8. Scroll down to the bottom of the settings page and click on Save Changes to apply the new language input settings. Step 9. Return to your Gmail inbox to start composing emails in your chosen language. Step 10. In the top right corner next to the settings icon, click on the language icon. If you have multiple input tools enabled, use the drop-down arrow to switch between them seamlessly. Congratulations! You have successfully configured your Gmail account to type in another language on your PC. Enjoy the convenience of communicating in various languages with ease.